Harrison, what do you do for a living? I mean, where do you work?
I find it difficult to work 9 to 5 because I'm mindfully engaged with you. The thoughts of making out with you is what I do for a living at the moment.
So, how do you get all the money you have?
Givers never lack. I'm a giver of pleasure, and recipients never fail to bless me.
Oh, are you into sugar mummies?
Let's focus on you calling me Papi when I'm hitting you from the back.
Okay, well, are you truly dating the governor's wife?
Call me the special aide to the first lady in bed. It's an emotional appointment.
Well, don't you think that's bad? I mean, she's married.
Do you want to get laid or not?
Well, I want you, but I don't know how safe that would be.
I'm as clean as the sheets you will spread your legs on in my bed. Knacking premium pickles comes with maximum security measures, so safety is guaranteed.
Well, why me? Since the first lady's dying for you, I'm just a common person. I cannot give you what she offers.
I knack who I want to knack. You will be a different species in bed. Don't forget, variety is the spice of life.
Harrison, less is more. You don't need to knack every woman you desire.
I am not knacking everyone. You are just going to be an addition. It's always better than suppression. Less can be more in my days of retirement. Right now, I'm in my prime time until I hang my boots.
Whatever. I'm only going to let you knack me once, and I will make you long for me after that. The only reason I would let you knack me again will be on the condition that you must make me your only girl.
Selfishness is a sin. I don't want to be with a woman that will be covetous or jealous. I'm a blessing to all women, so I won't appreciate you standing in the way of my sunshine. Anytime my bola rises, I want to shine in a woman before I can make it set after reaching the point of no return.
Harrison, I love your bad boy vibe. I mean, that's what makes me want you.
We can always have our eclipse moments in bed without strings joining our sun and moon for a standstill. Good moments should come and go so that we can appreciate unforgettable memories.
Harrison, what if you get addicted to me? I know I can be very addictive. It's possible you're going to go bananas over me after you have a bite of my apple.
I don't get high on my pleasure supply source. Focusing on my vision and mission when I want a woman is more important than what she has to offer. I once told you I'm a purpose-driven person. I don't catch feelings because I'm a rolling stone that gathers no moss.
All right, Harrison, please be honest with me. What's your body count?
I am not a mortuary attendant, neither am I before a crime scene, so I do not do body counts like a detective.
Well, I'm sure you've seen too many women, and that gives me goosebumps. It feels like I'm about to settle for leftover.
I am always the lost treasure, not the leftover for women. I always hit the road because I'm a rolling stone.
Well, you must have used your pleasure tool in excess. I doubt if I can still find goodies in it. It may stand and not be able to deliver anymore.
My record does not deplete my prowess. Like the steadfast love for the Lord never cease or never come to an end. In Lamentations 3 verse 22 to 23, my value and prowess for knacking renews every morning. So, no cause for lamentations, girl. So forget my past. The future is for you and I to write as our knacking history.
Well, every word that comes out of your mouth makes me want to strip. I just hate it that I cannot resist you. You're one poison I will have to take with a smile. You make me want to shun my boyfriend for you, but I just want to feel safe when I make that decision to be with you.
Emotionally, I am like a sinking sand. I may not be the solid rock you need to build your life on. I can only guarantee you that you can make my bola stand like a solid rock.
If you make me wet one more time, I will jump on you here in public. Be careful of your words. You're pushing me to lose my composure. I cannot resist you any further. Please, let's stay silent until we get to that safe place where we can knack.
All right.
But there's no way you can make heaven, Harrison.
I just need to be in cloud 9 with you. That can be the closest I can ever get to heaven when I'm digging you. You can be my heaven on earth, girl.
Harrison, stop. Let's go somewhere closer. I need you right now.
Your wish is my command. By the way, I have a secret to share with you.
But let it wait. All I need now is for you to have me.
The next episode or the continuation of this Konji maker is mind-blowing. It's something you should never miss. That is why you need to subscribe to this YouTube channel and click notification button so you'll be the first to get this new vibe on how you can run this package. You know what I mean. Guess what, guys? This is one content you should never miss. So you need to subscribe right now and click the notification button. More episodes will drop continuously, so make sure you don't miss the next episode. I'm Harrison Tito. You can find me on all social media platforms as Coach Harrison Tito. Coach Harrison Tito. Search for me on all social media platforms and connect with me. You will love all the vibes I drop. Enjoy, guys. Yes, you miss your ex, but you don't need to rekindle how that person used to make your dimple show. So you have to let go. For mankind, peace of mind is more important than anything else I want. It may hurt, but probably because it was your fault that things went bad. And things may seem hard, but take note. To avoid becoming an emotional scapegoat, let who you miss find his or her bliss elsewhere, even when you still care. Let a new life in you unfold. But truth be told, I miss my ex. Yes, I miss my ex, but that relationship ran its course. If you struggle to go back to it or keep it, it might become a curse. Don't try to keep people in your life forever. It is better to let go to avoid a lifetime sorrow. But I miss my ex. You know who you are. I miss you. This is true.